What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today I'm here with CRC's Pro brake clean. CRC is of course the #1 selling brand of brake cleaner, and I use it for all my projects. This is the strongest brake clean, and I use it to quickly and effectively remove brake fluid, grease, and oil from every part of the braking system, especially on tough jobs like this BMW X5 that has 250,000 miles on it and has spent most of its life on a dirt road. Brakleen Pro has the PowerJet nozzle, and it will blast the dirt right out of this nasty braking system here. So here's our caliper, all the way down to the bare metal in just seconds. That's as soon as it dries, ready to reassemble. The PowerJet can save you a ton of time by reducing the amount of time you'll spend wiping after you clean a part, and Brakleen Pro comes in this massive 1 pound, 13 ounce can. It'll surprise you when you go to pick it up off the shelf. There's way more brake cleaner in here than any of the other cans you're gonna find. And that is why I use CRC Brakleen Pro on all my projects.